He was just 23 years old, yet his name became immortal. A young man who carried the dream of freedom in his heart and the courage of a lion in his soul. This is the story of Bhagat Singh, the revolutionary who shook the foundations of the British Empire. Welcome to Facts and Fundas. Today we are going to know the major events in the life of Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was born in Banga, Punjab. His family was deeply patriotic. From a very young age, he bred stories of courage, sacrifice and resistance against the British. While other children played with toys, Bhagat played with dreams of freedom. When Bhagat Singh was 12, he witnessed the aftermath of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Hundreds of innocent Indians shot dead. That day, the boy became a warrior. He collected the blood-soaked soil from the ground and kept it as a reminder of what he had to fight for. Inspired by leaders like Kartar Singh and by the writings of Marx and Lenin, Bhagat Singh grew into a thinker as much as a fighter. He believed freedom was not just the absence of British rule, but the birth of a just and equal society. In 1928, when Lala Lajpat Rai died after a brutal police lathi charge, Bhagat Singh and his comrades decided to act. They plotted to kill the officer responsible, but in the confusion, John Saunders, another British officer, was shot instead. Bhagat Singh now became a wanted man. In 1929, Bhagat Singh and Patukeshwar Dutt threw bombs in the Central Legislative Assembly. But these were not bombs to kill, they were bombs to awaken. As the smoke filled the hall, they shouted, "Inqilab Zindabad, long live the revolution." They were arrested, but their voices could not be silenced. In prison, Bhagat Singh wrote passionately about freedom, revolution and justice. He even went on a hunger strike for 116 days, demanding better treatment for Indian prisoners. His writings revealed a mind as sharp as his courage was fierce. On March 23, 1931, at just 23 years old, Bhagat Singh, along with Rajguru and Sukhdev, was hanged in Lahore jail. As they walked towards the gallows, they sang, they smiled and they embraced death like it was another step towards freedom. Bhagat Singh did not live to see India free, but his spirit became immortal. Lived sacrifices ignited millions and his words still echo today. They may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They can crush my body, but they cannot crush my spirit. Bhagat Singh was more than a martyr. He was an idea of courage, equality and justice. An idea that still inspires us to fight against injustice today. Inqilab Zindabad. Thanks for watching Facts and Fundas. Kindly like, share and subscribe the video.